everyone, welcome back to Show Me Mo Vegan. I'm Wendy, and over the last several months, I've been talking a lot about community-supported agriculture and encouraging you to check out the farmers markets, CSAs, and co-ops that might be available in your area. I've been sharing what I got each week through the CSA that I joined and how I was using that produce. Sometimes it can be a little intimidating to think about joining a CSA because you will get a lot of produce, and if you're not used to eating so much fresh food, it might be overwhelming. So I hope those videos have been helpful in giving you some ideas on how to use your produce. The CSA that I joined has two seasons, a summer season and a winter season. I participated in both, and a few weeks ago I shared a recap of everything from the 24-week summer season. I'll link that video up above so you can check it out in case you missed that. I wanted to do the same for the winter season, which was 8 weeks in my case. And you might think that you won't get a lot of great produce in the winter time, but I live in the Midwest and we get some pretty cold temperatures, but we also still got an abundance of fabulous vegetables. Farmers have lots of tricks up their sleeves and they're constantly adapting to the climate. So I hope you enjoy seeing what I got, and I'll also throw in a few ideas on how to use it. So please enjoy, and I hope you'll be inspired to check out what's available in your area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more plant-based meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.